Hey guys, Sam from WrapArt. So we've got a car in to do PPF. So it's an Audi RS6, it's a brand new car. It's had PPF on from another shop. Unfortunately, it wasn't the greatest of quality. So what we'll be doing is taking off the PPF, doing a paint basically assessment. We'll list any faults in the paint, any cuts, that sort of thing. And then we'll be putting our PPF on. So it's basically going to be getting an extended track pack. So basically the whole of the front and the sides are going to be covered, and we're going to be doing little parts on the A-pillar as well. So the big area, problem area is this bonnet actually. So it's got a few, by the looks of it, bits of debris and air and that sort of thing caught behind it. So we'll be replacing the bonnet, fixing all of this. There's a joint here and there's quite a bit of stress marks and water and air left behind. Over this side we've got a few air bubbles in the car. That's not a big problem, but they should have been pricked, so unfortunately that didn't happen. So we'll make sure we'll go over and squeegee the film down properly and check over the car thoroughly before we give it back to the customer. Just the pattern's just a little bit misaligned, so it was probably rushing the job, and obviously the film here hasn't been stuck down properly. So when we do it, we'll try and tuck in most of the edges. With the track pack, usually we get, we'll actually cover the pillars as well. Unfortunately, this customer's already got a few stone chips in the pillar, because there was no PPF in it. So we'll make sure we'll throw in this pillar just up to this joint here, because this is a very high impact area. So you're going to take off the PPF super carefully, and then we'll give the car a full wash, full decontamination, check over the car and make sure there's no damage on it before we continue with our job on it. This panel here doesn't come in a kit, so it actually needs to be hand cut. Unfortunately, whoever has done it last has cut through to the paint here. So we'll talk to the customer about it. We'll see if we can polish it out. We'll kind of go from there and see what he wants to do. So we've just finished up putting the PPF on the car, still got a few little bits to go, but looks amazing, looking really good, a lot better than what it came in as. Customer's going to be super happy. Pick up is tomorrow on Sunday, so that'll be good to give the car back to him in pristine condition.